Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, one thing about Ushef Xolani Sabelo. One thing about Ushef Xolani, there's always drama around his name. There's always drama revolving around him. And at this point, I'm not sure if people are just bitter or people are just against him or vele he is the drama. So guys, do you guys still remember? I can't remember if it's 2 months ago or 1 month ago, but Chef Xolani Sabelo posted on his Instagram about an event that is happening. The event was called Plated Saturday. He posted about this event, and guys, he posted a poster with the details about this event, that people can come, people should come, and then people were like, okay, we are coming, we can't wait to see Umkwenyana country, we can't wait to see Umakoti, Then others were excited that Vuyokazi is going to see her fiance for the first time. People were just like, guys, we are buying these tickets to go and see them together, to go and take pictures with them. Kanti Ugai was not going to attend this event, and all along he was just quiet, guys. He was quiet, and Uvuyokazike attended this event. So Ugai was quiet, didn't even explain, guys, please go to the event, please buy tickets. I am not attending, I'm just advertising. Since this event is a food event, people thought he is going to be there, he is the one who's going to be cooking and stuff. But no, Ugai was not attending. He was only advertising, but didn't clarify that. So people have been going mad on social media. Guys, you guys scammed us. You guys scammed us, and now there's a press release that was released to clarify that Chef Xolani Sabelo was not going to attend, guys. This is how it reads. It says, clarification regarding Chef Xolani and the Plated Saturday event at Misty River. This was released on the 1st of October 2024. We would like to address recent concerns regarding Chef Xolani's involvement in the Plated Saturday fine dining experience, which took place at Misty River on 29 September 2024. It has come to our attention that there have been misleading claims suggesting Chef Xolani was scheduled to attend the event. We would like to clarify that Chef Xolani has not at any point committed to attending the event. While he shared information about the event on his social media platforms to support the culinary community, he never stated or implied that he would be present. Chef Xolani is currently in the UK, where he is further honing his culinary skills to bring even more exceptional experiences to his followers. He will be visiting South Africa soon, and he looks forward to sharing his international journey with the local food scene. We urge the public to stay updated on Chef Xolani's official social media channels for verified announcement and upcoming engagements. Thank you for your continued support and understanding. This is a press release that was released by Immortal Kitchens. I'm not sure if it's a restaurant or it's the name of the event or name of the host or something. But guys, people are so mad. Chef Xolani scammed them, They are so mad. Chef Xolani scammed them. And also Uvuyokaz and I posted about this same event on his socials. So people are just like, no, you guys scammed us. Why would you post something that has to do with food and cooking, fine dining experience, and then take your wife and then you don't come? Because till now we are expecting that you are coming. Even in the comment section, people were just like, yes, we can't wait to meet Chef Xolani Sabelo. We are excited to meet you guys. You are finally going to meet your wife for the first time. And they didn't even clarify in the comment section, but guys, chef is not coming, you know. And manje I'm just so confused ukuthi uVuyekazi-ke kahle kahle yena boyfriend they've never met vele or kanjani. Hey, indaba zabantu guys.